फ्रेंड्स, आई होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। फ्रेंड्स, मैं एक और वीडियो लेकर हाजिर हुआ हूँ। आई एम बैक विद वन अनदर अमेजिंग वीडियो विच इज़ अबाउट ANZ Bank. The ANB Australian and New Zealand Banking Group Limited is an Australian multinational banking and financial services company headquartered in Melbourne, Victoria. It is Australia's second largest bank by asset and fourth largest bank by market capitalization. Its current corporate entity was established on 1 October 1970 when the Australia and New Zealand merged. When the Australia and New Zealand ANZ Bank merged with the English, Scottish and Australian Bank, it was the largest bank merger in Australian history. At the time, the Australia and New Zealand Bank had in turn been founded in 1951 as the merger of the Bank of Australasia and the Bank of and Union Bank of Australia, which was established in 1835 and 1837 respectively. ANZ is one of the big four Australian banks along with the Commonwealth Bank, NAB and Westpac. Australian operations make up the largest by ANZ business with the commercial and retail banking dominating. ANZ is also the largest bank in New Zealand, where the legal entity became known as ANZ National Bank in 2013 and 2003 and changed to ANZ Bank in ANZ Bank New Zealand in 2012. From 2003 to 2012, it operates two brands in New Zealand, ANZ and the National Bank of New Zealand. The National Bank brand was retired in 2012. With a number of branches closing and other converting to ANZ branches. In addition to operations throughout Australia and New Zealand, ANZ also operates in 34 other countries. ANZ, together with its subsidiaries, has a workforce of 21,000 employees and serves around 9 million customers worldwide. Allah. History. 19th century, the Bank of Australia was founded in London in 1835. Its first branch was opened in Sydney in 14th December 1835. It combined with the Commonwealth Bank, which was formed in Launceston, Van Diemen's Land in 1828. In 1837, Union Bank of Australia was established in London by a group of people including George Fife Angus and a banker and a share and slave holder. The English, Scottish and Australian Bank was established in London in 1852 and opened its first Australian branch in Sydney in 1853. The ES&A Bank took over the Commercial Bank of Tasmania and the London Bank of Australia in 1921 and the Royal Bank of Australia in 1927. 20th century. In 1951, the Bank of Australasia merged with Union Bank of Australia to form the Australia and the New Zealand Bank, ANZ Bank. In 1963, the first computer system established a new data processing center in Melbourne, Australia. In 1966, ANZ began operations in Honiara, Solomon Islands in 1868. ANZ opened an office in New York, US in 1969. ANZ established a representative office in Tokyo, Japan. On 1st October 1970, ANZ merged with an Australian Scottish Bank with the Australian, Scottish and Australian Bank to form the present organisation, Australia and New Zealand Banking Group. That same year, the bank began operations in Vanuatu. So, friends, this was all about ANZ Bank and the history of ANZ Bank. So, I hope you will like my video. I will upload more videos like that. So, friends, till next video, take care. Bye.